there guys, welcome to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how to set up your Razorprozy on your Peer2Profit account. So once you've registered up to the Razorprozy website that I've left in the link for you in the description, what you need to do is find yourself over to the Shared DC tab, and it will offer you your own free 500 megabytes worth of data. And all you need to do is just copy your proxy address, your port, your username and your password. And what I've done is I've put together a document that kind of just walks you through kind of step by step. So when you go to import your proxy into your Peer2Profit, this is the format that they're going to give you, so that you need to reorganize and change it so that it's going to fit in with your details. So as a simple explanatory from mine, you can see the port that's there, that would be replaced with the port part there. On the host, you would put the proxy address, that you would change that to be the host. For the password, you would use your own password. For your username, you'd also use your own username that they've provided you on Razorprozy. And then the protocol would be HTTP, just for this specific sake. Okay, so make sure that you change all your user details and passwords with your own that they provide for you, so that this will be done successfully. So now jumping into Peer2Profit, let's go ahead and add this proxy. Now I've already got this proxy added. As you can see, it's online. It's been online. It says 27 minutes, but I have had this up for a full day. And as you can see, it has used a little bit of the data that's been allowed on there for me. So that's still slowly updating bit by bit. So what you need to do is go on input. Remember the protocol address and username. I will leave this maybe just copied into the description, just so you can copy and paste it, maybe a little bit more easy, and just change it out with your own to make things easier. But all you need to do is just pop it in as that, and then all you would do is press import, and then it would go onto there and show you live. But let's just do it anyway, just for the sake of it. Okay, so this has been added. They're currently checking to make sure that these details are correct, but they won't be correct as far as I'm aware, because these are just ones that I have just added together, and the original ones that I have covered up and blurred with a black box are the original details that I have. If this helped you set up your proxy, or your first free proxy to Peer2Profit, then please do leave me a like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe drop me a comment and let me know that you guys like to see in the next video.